Hey guys, what's good? So I just wanted to come on here. I'm waiting out the rain to kind of go down a little bit. I don't know if you guys can hear it outside, but there are thunderstorms all or forecasted for this entire week here in Jamaica. Um, the rest of the world gets well. Some parts of the world get snow, we get rain. It's hurricane season now, and it's going to continue like this for quite a while. So we have, according to the weather reports, I know it's not always 100% sure, but it says that we have thunderstorms forecasted up until next week Sunday, where we're supposed to have partially cloudy skies or whatnot. But I just wanted to come on here a little bit and just drop, I guess you could call it a gem, or whatever you want to refer to it as. As you start your week, I think this is always something nice to have to think about. When I was younger, one of the things that my mother used to always say to me, and I don't know how many other persons have this issue, but I'm pretty sure there are persons out there who have this issue. Um, but there are persons in this world who will speak poorly of you. They will speak so poorly, no matter how much you try to keep a good reputation, no matter how much you try to do good in your own community, within your own space, in your own environment, your own industry, your workplace, wherever it is. You try to do good, you try to be your best. You try to shed positive lights wherever you go, right? Um, there's always going to be that one person who dislikes you. There's always going to be that one person who just, they just hate on you. Some people, they gain entertainment from hating on other people, criticizing other folk. That's entertainment for them. Um, and sometimes you can tolerate that. I think the issue, and that's what my mother told me, that you should always prepare for that. People will always hate you no matter what you do, right? But continuing, um, or expounding on this a little bit more, is the fact that these people who have this, for some reason, poor assumption of who you are, right? They try to convince others. And interestingly, these bad people, these negative people, always have a huge crowd, a huge. It's crazy. It's crazy. Like for some, evil always has quite a bit of followers. Negativity has a lot of followers. There's a big fan club for negativity, and in Jamaica, we say bad mindism. So when you have a person like that, and they have their own group of people, and what they do is they share the same false beliefs, false truths about you. They share that with that group of people. And what happens is those people, interestingly, what I find over the years is that they readily believe what they hear from said bad heart, bad mind persons. So one of the things that my mother used to say as well is that it doesn't matter, it don't matter what people say about you as long as you know the truth. The next thing is this: the people who are readily swayed by these other persons, by these bad leaders, by these negative naysayers, you know what I mean? The people who are easily swayed. And usually, guys, for me, they usually present themselves as your friends first and foremost. You always have a group of people who, oh, they're friends and they're happy with you, and it's all mellow and it's all, hi Chrissy, how you doing? Hi Joanna, whatever the hell your name might be. I don't know any Joanna, by the way. I just randomly calling a name, right? Those people who are easily swayed, what she always said to me is that, Christina, these people were never with you from before. So they were just really looking for a reason to distrust, to dislike, and to emit nothing but hatred upon you. So I'm dropping this here today because I know there's a lot of persons out there who probably you find yourself, you feel in your heart, you believe that you're a good person, you're a genuine spirit, you're a genuine soul. But for some strange reason, there are just people out there who have negative things to say about you. And, I just want to say to you, you're not alone. There's a lot of us out there just like that who, for some strange reason, no matter how small you keep your circle, no matter if it's even just one single friend you have, There will always be that one person who decides that they're not going to like you. And it's nothing that you have done. It's usually just a reflection on them. It could be that they probably had a traumatic experience with persons in the past, and it has caused them to not trust themselves. It caused them to see goodness as a bad thing, almost not realizing that goodness is something that is available for everybody. Goodness is, there's nothing in a shot of goodness, boy. You understand what I'm saying? So I wanted to drop this here on a Sunday because it's the beginning of the week, and I know there will be someone who needs to hear this. If there's somebody at your workplace, somebody within your company, in your group, wherever it is, in your community, whatever it is, that for some strange reason that person dislikes you, and anybody that person goes around seems to just start disliking you as well, for obvious reasons, must be that that person has somehow inflicted their negative spirit upon that person. Don't worry about it. Those people were not meant to be, they weren't meant to be your friends in the first place. And you know, another thing too that I'd like to add to all of this is that don't, sometimes you have to be grateful for hatred. Be grateful for the negative people that come around you. You know why? Because it gives you a challenge. It gives you a hurdle that you need to jump over. There is no such thing as a person who has made it successful in life without jumping over hurdles, without jumping over challenges that our own fellow human beings put in the way. Because there are many people, believe it or not, there are many people who do not like success, who do not like to see success because they do not believe it's possible for themselves, and they don't realize that success is here for everybody. And so in order to try to deter you or to take away from your success, they try to put up challenges. They try to tell lies about you behind your back. They try to, outdo you by trying to copy you, by trying to play at your own game. I think the best thing that you could possibly do in this life is to be yourself, and only yourself, the most authentic version of yourself ever. And I know you've heard this several times from many, many people, time and time again. Oprah Winfrey has said it. Who else is there? Michelle Obama has said it. Many women strong in power. And I'm using women for a reason, because as women, we have a separate challenge that we have to overcome. Right? I don't want to break a I don't want to break a sweat from my eyes. But I just really wanted to come on here and say this. It don't matter what criticisms are out there. Keep going after what it is that you set out to set out after, to get, to gain. And there's another thing that I wanted to leave you with before I close this off. I read this some time ago, and I think it's very important to share this, and this is how I'm going to end this. Ask yourself this question daily. When you come across challenges, when persons, naysayers come into your way, challenges come up, think about this. Is the fear of criticisms, the fear of negativity, the fear of challenges, is that fear greater than your want, your desire, your will to be successful? That's what I'm going to leave you with. Is that fear greater than your want, your desire to be successful, to claim what is out there for you? That's how I'm going to end this today. Love y'all. Enjoy your week. Mwah.